Local news for Tuesday the 16th of October. Over 400 secondary school students from the Lower North Island will be finishing the school year with new skills and knowledge in their chosen vocational pathway after completing U-Skills Academy programs at UCOL. The Wairarapa students will be recognised at an awards evening tonight at the Carterton Event Centre. Wairarapa farmer David Buick has won the first open shearing title of the shearing sports season in Gisborne on Saturday, and Masterton shearer David Gordon won the senior final. Meatlink are holding another Meet the Managers afternoon. Managers will be on hand at the Wellington railway station, giving commuters the opportunity to voice their views on performance between 3:30 and 6 p.m. And in sport, 10 boys and 4 girls teams competed in the Hurricanes High School Sevens tournament on Saturday, held at Rathkill College. Stream beat Napier White 24-21 in the boys' final, while Ngā Wahine Toa from Hawke's Bay beat Fielding Girls 15-5 in their final.